Welcome to part 3 of the 8.5 by 7.5 metre log cabin build we are doing over at Whilton, where my office is, just outside the door. It's exactly the same as this, but bigger and shaped like an L. I've had to take a few days away from the project, and why?
We're now into a third day of extreme weather as a result of Storm Babbitt.
So, as you heard, the weather's not been the kindest, but I've managed to grab a break in the rain. It is Saturday, the 21st of October. I think today's going to be okay till about 4, and tomorrow we've got some sunshine. So this is the 2-day break we've got in Storm Babbitt to try and get at least a little bit of progress made. So the first thing I'm going to do today, I've brought milk, so I'm going to make myself a cup of tea. Then we're going to start getting some tools out and make some progress. That's the longest 2 runs done that I need to do. I have set out for my next one, which is going to be 3.328, which is one of 4 sections I've got left to do. So I'm going to treat myself to a quick bite to eat because I'm starving. We're making great progress. I'm happy with what I've done so far. I'm hoping to get another 2 of the 4 runs in. Then I know I've only got 2 runs left to do. Then I've got to do all of the cross sections for catching all of the floor bearers. So treat myself to a cup of tea and then continue. Alexa, stick the kettle on, will you?
Okay.
Smashing it. So I've managed to get 2 of the legs done, and that's the hardest part, and it means that now everything gets that little bit easier. So what I can do is I can set a string line up from the front all the way to the back. It'll be pretty much level. Obviously we've got a little bit of line drop, which I'll account for, and we're straight, we're parallel. So as soon as that full run's in there, we've got a little run to do for the return of the right leg of it, and then it's just all of the bricks across, ready for the foundation bearers. So I've got about an hour left, an hour and a half until the garden centre shuts, so I'm not sure whether to make some more mortar or not because I've just ran out. But a big part of me wants to just make today an even better day than it already has been. So I'm gonna have a cup of tea, I'm gonna decide, but I think I might see what I can get through. If not, get myself very set up for tomorrow, because tomorrow's gonna be nice and sunny. Good day for filming, good day for laying blocks and bricks. Again, remember, I'm not a bricklayer. It's not perfect, it doesn't have to be. It's not gonna be seen, but it's good enough to put a log cabin on. It's level, very level, because I'm a perfectionist with stuff like that. So, cup of tea, have a little think, decide what to do. Let's see how we get on.
That's going wrong. Glory, death, and coffee shops. TV categories called reality. Polluted nature by corrupt ministries. We're all passengers. Let loose on the train. Have fun, don't stay sane. It's a part of the game. Ooh, ha. That rumbling sound. In every building, a gamer and a drunk. Green parks with shitting dogs. Hey policeman, I'm in 3 modern families. Faster, slower, shades on, hit the gas. High, lower, get into the control room. Don't get older. We're all passengers. We're toxic containers. Let loose on the train. Have fun, don't stay sane. It's a part of the game.
Absolutely flown through that. Well impressed with how much I've done today, if I don't say so myself. I used that other mix, I laid that entire, well not the entire row, but I laid a lot of that row of blocks, and we are in for a super smashing Sunday tomorrow. I cannot wait to get back here, because we're making great progress, and I'm really pleased with how far we've gone. So, if you want to see part 4, don't forget to subscribe, give the video a like, thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you didn't enjoy it, give it a thumbs down. That's entirely up to you, it's your prerogative. I'll see you guys in part 4.